Everything you've been told about chameleons is a lie. Okay, maybe not everything, but that childhood myth about them changing color to blend into any background? Total fiction. Welcome to the real magic of chameleon color change. For decades, cartoons and pop culture have sold us a simple, captivating idea. Chameleons change color to seamlessly match any background they touch, acting as nature's perfect invisible ninjas. It's a great story, but the actual biology is way cooler. Forget the disappearing act. Chameleons don't shift colors to hide from the world. They do it to broadcast exactly how they feel. Meet the jungle's most reactive mood ring. If they are stressed, angry, or looking for a mate, they don't blend in, they stand out. Let's break down the myth versus the biological reality. Pop culture tells us it's a conscious choice to hide using moving pigments like ink. The science? It's an involuntary physical response rooted in structural physics, light refraction, and temperature control. The secret actually lies beneath the surface pigment. If you look past the epidermis and the yellow and red pigment layers, you hit the jackpot, the iridophores. These are specialized cells containing nanoscale photonic crystals. This is where the magic happens. When a chameleon is completely calm and chill, its skin is relaxed. At a microscopic level, those nanocrystals form a tightly packed, dense lattice. This structure naturally selects and reflects short wavelengths of light, giving the chameleon its baseline green and blue hues. But look what happens when the chameleon gets excited, agitated by a rival, or spots a mate. The skin stretches. The physical distance between those tiny crystals expands, instantly shifting the reflection to longer wavelengths like bright yellows, blazing oranges, and intense reds. So their skin essentially serves as a dual-purpose survival canvas. On one hand, it's an internal communication tool, broadcasting aggression or mating readiness to other lizards. On the other hand, it's an external adaptation tool, acting as a literal thermostat. Because they are cold-blooded, chameleons use this dynamic lattice to survive the chilly morning air. By expanding their crystals to present darker, absorbing colors, they turn their entire body into a highly efficient solar panel to soak up the sun. So, the next time someone tells you to blend in like a chameleon, remind them that chameleons actually use quantum physics to scream their feelings at the jungle. From camouflage myths to nanocrystal realities, nature is always wilder than fiction.